Hey, friends, this is Mike, and today we're going to cover an important topic: how to trade Bitcoin with 200 times leverage on the Bitunix platform. I'll explain in simple terms what 200 times leverage is and why you might need it, how trading with such leverage works using Bitcoin as an example, what the pros and cons of these trades are, and what you need to watch out for so you don't lose your deposit in just a few seconds. So, get comfortable and hit that like button. Let's get started. Right now, Bitcoin is priced at about $101,500. The market is extremely volatile, which brings both great opportunities and huge risks. So, what is Bitunix and what does trading with 200 times leverage mean? Bitunix is a cryptocurrency exchange that offers futures trading with very high leverage, up to 200 times. Leverage is when the exchange lends you money so you can open a larger position. For example, you deposit $10, but you trade as if you have $2,000. This allows you to profit from even the slightest price movements. If the price goes up by just 0.5%, you double your collateral. So, let's make a comparison. On Binance, the maximum leverage for Bitcoin is 125 times, on OKX it's 100 times, and on Bitunix it's 200 times. This is one of the highest figures on the market. Such conditions are suitable for experienced traders who trade short-term and are ready for high volatility. So, let's break down how 200 times leverage works using Bitcoin as an example. Let's imagine a simple scenario. Bitcoin costs $101,500. You deposit $10 and choose 200 times leverage. The size of your position is $2,000. If Bitcoin goes up by 0.5%, your profit will be 100% of your collateral. Your $10 turn into 20. If Bitcoin drops by the same 0.5%, you lose your entire collateral. This is called liquidation. This happens when your loss eats up all your collateral and the exchange closes your position. Let's talk about how to open a trade on Bitunix. To start trading, top up your account on the exchange with USDT or Bitcoin. Go to the futures section and select the Bitcoin/USDT pair. Set the leverage to 200 times. Specify the position size. Be sure to set a stop loss to limit your losses. It's recommended to set a take profit to lock in your profit when your target is reached. Choose the trade direction, long if you expect the price to rise, or short if you expect it to fall. The Bitunix interface is simple and easy to understand, even if you're a beginner. Let's talk about risks and profits. With 200 times leverage, any price movement has a huge impact on your position. If the price of Bitcoin moves just 0.3% in your favor, you earn 60% of your margin. But if the price moves the same 0.3% against you, you'll lose 60% of your margin. A negative move of just 0.5% and your position will be liquidated. To give you a sense of scale, at 50 times leverage, a move of 0.5% means plus or minus 25% of your margin. At 100 times, that's plus or minus 50% of your margin. At 200 times, that's either 100% profit or a total loss of your margin. This is a tool for scalpers and those who can react quickly. You shouldn't risk more than 1 or 2% of your deposit in such trades. A stop loss is a must. Without it, 200 times leverage turns into a game of roulette. Commissions are significant with high leverage, and you need to factor them in as well. So, let's sum it up. Futures with 200 times leverage on Bitunix are a tool for experienced traders who understand the risks and know how to act quickly. With this kind of leverage, you can double your deposit in a couple of minutes, but you can also lose it all in an instant. If you want to see an analysis of a real trade with this leverage, let me know in the comments. Support the video with a like and a subscription, and don't forget to hit the bell, because there will be more breakdowns of strategies and trading tools in the next videos. Wishing everyone successful and profitable trading. This was Mike with you. See you.